So last week I shorted the British pound and made over £4,500 in a day. A lot of people was asking question, how did I do that? And also Bank of England raised it 0.25 basis point on the interest rate. Should be good news for the British pound, right? So in today's video, I'm going to break down how I actually done it and what method I used to short the British pound. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jake from Simple Elite Traders. My mission is to simplify the financial market by sharing my experience and knowledge. If you like our topic, I would personally love to invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the bell icon. That way you won't miss any trading opportunity. So for this trade, I use spread trading. What is spread trading? It is a leveraged derivative trading product. Therefore, I don't own any underlying asset. And I use the short-term momentum to make profit. Sometimes news is not so important. We use IG as our recommended broker. They offer the best spread trading services. As you can see, spread trading is tax-free in the UK. If you use our referral link to join IG, we will personally invite you to our IG trading training event. We will show you how to operate and take a trade on IG. This won't be shown on YouTube. It will be only through our personal invitation link. So let us know if you do join the IG broker using our referral link. So why did I actually take the trade on shorting the British pound? Because I have a very powerful AI seasonal data from my friend's platform, marketmakeclear.com. You can see here, this is the seasonal pattern. Usually in May, we do have a bearish time, but now it's coming to the end exactly here. So it gave me a very good guide on that. Now we bring into the technical chart through trading view. We have a pro account. What's the advantage of having a pro account? Now you can see I'm actually showing you the history on last week on a 4-hour chart. You won't be able to have this function to do a replay unless you have a pro account. If you're serious about trading, I definitely recommend you to join TradingView Pro account. You can also use our referral link to join TradingView. Again, if you use our referral link on our backend, we will know who joined. We'll invite you to show you how to use TradingView for your trading. Again, that won't be shown on YouTube. It will be a personal invitation only. Right, so let's get right in. How did I actually trade this? So 4 hour here, you can see, yes, we do have an uptrend, but we have a double top here. So when this form a double top, what I was expecting was come back and stay below this trend line for me to take the trade short, okay? And I posted that on our private trading group or other social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. You can join through our link in the description as well. It's free of charge. That way you can interact with us a lot more in detail. So let's play the video and show you what exactly happened. But we use the 4 hour as a main time frame. To enter, we use 1 hour. So in here, you can change it to 1 hour. And now you can start playing that. But let me just slow down a little bit. Okay, see here, right here, let me just zoom in a bit more. When price breaks lower, so when they break this lower low, multiple lower low, what I was ultimately waiting for is a price to come back in this area here and set my order and my stop loss right here. Okay, so this is called a break and a retest method. Okay, let's play and show you. Did you see this spike up there, this area here, 126118, right there? Let me just circle that for you. Right here is the price that I enter. Okay, so Let me just draw that. Okay, the orange circle area was my entry. My stop loss is just above the swing high through that area here. My profit is on this horizontal trend line area. Okay, so as you can see, that's where I took my profit on Friday at 4 o'clock. Exactly on my profit area. Did I have a crystal ball to project that? No, I did not. It is just following my trading system. So if you'd like to learn more, we'll be very soon putting our tutorial video on our YouTube playlist, where you will learn step by step how to identify trend, price action, EMA, and trading system, etc. So do stay tuned if you'd like to learn more, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next week.